Hi everyone, Connor Peterson here with Second Brain Trading and The Intentional Trader. I wanted to talk to you real quick about the exclusive offer we're going to be having for this pullback trading masterclass. So the first option is going to be the Einstein bundle. Now the Einstein bundle includes everything. Everything that you need to trade our system is in the Einstein bundle. And not only that, but you're going to be receiving everything we develop in the future for the Einstein bundle. So all new indicators we develop, the new training programs as we add to it and develop even more, you will get for free once those are released. Now, we also have our Brain Boost and our academic packages. These are going to be great for people who either don't have the budget yet for the Einstein bundle, or they just want to get some indicators to their current trading style. Now, we are offering a trade in, trade up offer for this Einstein bundle. We already have a great special for it, so if you don't have anything to trade in, no worries, you're still getting a lot of money off. But I'm sure many of you have invested in systems in the past where you are no longer using those indicators, you are no longer trying to trade that style. Contact me, let me know what those are. You can trade those in, get up to $300 additional off our already exclusive offer, and get the Einstein bundle down to about $46.99. Now that is well over $1,000 in savings, and if you ask any of our members, they will tell you it is worth it and it has turned their trading around. So if you're ready to start taking some consistent pullback trades and you want to join our Einstein family, now's the perfect time. I look forward to seeing you in the trade room. Bye for now.